From the Florida Healthcare Association Education and Training Center in Tallahassee, Florida, this is the Provider Program, brought to you by Bouchard Insurance.
Today, we're going to be talking about the importance of funding for home and community-based services and funding for nursing home care.
We want to make sure that these people that come into our facility can be well taken care of. And to do that, we need to make sure that our Congress and Senate are on board with what we have going on.
These funds mean the world to nursing facilities. We need these funds.
So it's really important that we preserve and pass the Medicaid funding bill as it relates to quality improvement and making sure that we are able to provide the best quality of care for our residents.
Nursing home funding, it's a big deal!
Make sure that they understand that this is a big deal. This is affecting lives.
Because funding care for Florida's senior population should never have to be a choice. Ever. Ever.
The legislature has an opportunity to do something now by putting the money for nursing home care into the budget, and as well as addressing the home and community-based waiting list.
Well, Emmett, we are in the midst of a little bit of a crisis in our industry, and making sure that we bring enough staff with us and caregivers to really show our representatives the grassroots effort to get funding back, because without funding, quality has the potential to go by the wayside. We are committed to great quality, and we continue to push through, and our voices need to be heard.
If Centerpoint lost the average of $300,000 a nursing home, what would that do?
That would be tragic, because then our patient to caregiver ratio would be off, and it would just affect them more than us.
As a millennial, we do understand that the generation of residents are no longer, our grandparents, but they're our parents, and we want to be able to meet their needs and their demands and give them the adequate level of services.
Alex, you talked about the importance of funding. Obviously, a quality report just came out. Touch on that a little bit.
The quality report came out, and we used to be on number 16 in the country. Now we're moving in the top 10, and that's only thanks for our funding. This needs to continue.
Now we've got a lot of enthused caregivers that are going to go to the House and the Senate and spread the funding message, and we're going to go out with a chant. It's a big deal! It's a big deal! It's a big deal! It's a big deal! Call your House, call your Senate. We need your help. For Florida's frail and elderly, it's a big deal.